Have you ever asked yourself, what is a reverse mortgage short sale? You've come to the right place. Hi, my name is Dohn Thornton. I'm known as Don the Short Sale Guy because I've helped well over 2,000 homeowners get out from under an upside down mortgage, get out of foreclosure, and save their credit. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about what a reverse mortgage is, what a reverse mortgage short sale is, and why it sounds stupid, but the homeowner has to be alive to do a reverse mortgage short sale. So, what is a reverse mortgage short sale? That's typically when an elderly person or retired person basically agrees with a mortgage company to either be fronted a lump sum payment of their equity, or they will have a situation where the reverse mortgage company will send them a check every month as part of their equity. And then, of course, the reverse mortgage company supposedly will leave enough of a cushion to be able to sell it for a full payoff if something happens. But unfortunately, a lot of times it doesn't happen, and the homeowner is upside down and is not able to pay property taxes, or there's very minimal fees involved. They're not paying a monthly fee, a huge monthly payment like you would if you took out a HELOC or something. But nevertheless, people do still get into foreclosure in these situations. So that's what a reverse mortgage is, basically, where the homeowner has a lot of equity. The homeowner wants to stay in the property but can't afford a monthly payment to take a loan out against the equity. So that's the idea, is that they will be given a mortgage on the property. They'll be given either a lump sum or um, a payment plan. They'll get payments every month without having to make a payment in return. That's the advantage for the homeowner in this situation, or at least that's how the advertising goes. What I'd like for you to do is to go down to the corner here and click on the subscribe button. I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. Listen, you're watching this video. That means you're interested in short sales. You're interested in what I produce. So why not subscribe and get notified whenever I upload a new video? So how does a reverse mortgage differ than a regular short sale? And I'll be honest with you, there's not much difference between the two. You still have to do all the procedures. Obviously, usually the homeowner doesn't have a job. The reason why they did a reverse mortgage because they're retired and they live on a fixed income, and so you still have to show that they haven't all of a sudden gotten rich, But nevertheless, the documentation requirements are not that onerous. Uh, the biggest difference I found, and this is just from a negotiator, short sale company point of view, is that reverse mortgages are tough to get down. I mean, I would say by far, if I look at, Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, private banks, VA, USDA, and FHA, if I was going to rank them in order of difficulty, I would have reverse mortgages first. They are not the easiest ones to get done. They are very intransigent. They're very stubborn. It's very hard to get a value dispute won with them. I would say it's reverse mortgages and the VA loans are the ones that are toughest. Now we get them done, but they're still tough. So that's part of the problem that you have. But you know what? They're still doable. That's the whole point. Now, if I was a real estate agent and I wasn't very experienced in short sales, I don't know if I would take one, because they're much harder. The learning curve is much higher, much steeper. So that would be my opinion, is that as someone, I'm not a guru. I'm a street investor. I'm a short sales street expert. This is all I'm telling you, what I've shared. I'm sharing with you what I've done and learned over 20 years. They're harder than most. Okay. So if you agree or disagree with me, go down to the comment section, leave me a comment. I'd love to know what you're thinking. Maybe give me a request for a video that I haven't done yet on a certain subject. Doesn't matter. I'm open to anything. I just love to engage with my viewers. And I know that it may sound weird and stupid, but honestly, I do have a lot of people who refer me short sales, potential short sales for a reverse mortgage, and the homeowner's already passed. And I have to let them know, it's like, no, the homeowner has to be alive. I apologize. There are a couple of exceptions. I mean, as long as the homeowner put a family member on the deed before they passed, and as long as the family member was authorized to speak to the mortgage company, it has to be written authorization from the homeowner, then it's possible. But 80% of the time, 90% of the time, maybe, if the homeowner's passed away, they don't have a surviving spouse. And so what ends up happening is you have to say, look, we can't do that because it's a probate issue. It has to go through probate first with an attorney, and that takes time, it takes money. And for the most part, those houses just go to foreclosure auction. We research foreclosure filings every day in multiple states. And it's pretty interesting that lately, over the last, well, that's the last 4 or 5 months since the foreclosure moratorium was lifted, we see so many reverse mortgages that people have passed. So it's an interesting phenomenon. But what I'd like for you to do, if you're a homeowner and you're looking perhaps to do a short sale on your reverse mortgage, go down to the description. My phone number is there, and there's a link. You just click on Dohn Buys Houses, and there's every page on my website has a form. Just fill the form out, and it's just your name, email address, and phone number. Click on it, and I'll be notified, and I'll reach out to you, and we can talk about how I can help you get out of the situation with you're obviously in, where you're upside down and you have a reverse mortgage. If you're a real estate investor, by all means, reach out to me. Again, my phone number is there. You can go down to the description of underneath the Dohn Buys Houses. There's a separate link there for you. Just click on it, same thing, and we can talk about how we can joint venture together, how you can set up short sales, upside down houses as a second income source. And listen, if the economy goes down, if the market corrects, then you're going to need to have a second income stream where you can thrive in a down market. That's the advantage of working with a company like ours. And then if you're a real estate agent, you know what? We've got an amazing plan for you. If you refer us, or not even refer to us, if you have a short sale and you want some help, we'll negotiate it for you. We'll deal with the buyer's agents. We'll make sure we get a discount for you down to where it's going to be easily approved. All this stuff we're going to do for you, and all we ask in return is 25% of your commission. That's it. I mean, it's a no-brainer. So every real estate agent who gets a short sale lead should be coming to us. Again, my phone number is down there. Reach out to us. Okay. So I want to thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.